back to my channel. My name is Leena if you're new, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all of the clothing items that I bought to wear for Eid. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you guys, it was so hard for me to find cute Eid clothes this year. Like, I looked at literally every online website that I could think of, and it was just so hard for me to find like cute modest pieces. I don't know if I'm the only one who was like this year. I finally found some really cute pieces that I'm so excited to share with you guys. They are so me, so my style. They're so like feminine, chic, and just wearable, and it's like personally like just exactly what I'm going to be wearing for Eid. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Most of these items you should be able to express ship to you, so I will link everything below in the description box if you want to pick anything up. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so the first item I got is a pleated maxi skirt, and you guys, it is lined all the way down, and it also comes in petite. This is just like an amazing find, and it's from some like random boutique I found online called like Morning Lavender, I think, and I just like took a chance. I ordered it because I thought this was like the perfect color, and the fact that it was like fully lined was perfect. But I'll insert a clip of me wearing it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's lightweight, it's non-sheer, and it's just literally the perfect nude color that will match anything. So I had to have this, and I think it'd be perfect for Eid. Okay, the next piece that I got is from Mango. This is a gorgeous like bright red top, and I wanted to add like a pop of color because I know that all of my outfits are always neutrals. So this was just like the perfect classic red, and I loved the balloon sleeves on these. And I loved this outfit because you had the interest with the pleated skirt and then the balloon sleeves. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it'd be perfect for Eid. The next item that I got is this beautiful white crepe jumpsuit from Banana Republic, and you guys, I looked everywhere for the perfect white jumpsuit, and I finally found it. It is lined all the way down, so it is not sheer at all, and the legs are loose, so they're not super tight. So I was so excited when I found this one. I also really like the belt that it comes with. It just like cinches you in at the perfect spot on your waist, so it gives you like a good proportion so that you don't look like too frumpy. So I think this is so beautiful. I loved wearing this with a duster jacket over it that I'm about to show you. I think this would also be beautiful with one of those like long open abayas. I think this would be absolutely beautiful with that. So yeah, I think this is like an essential for the summer. The next piece that I got is from a store called Aritzia, and I've actually never shopped there, but now I'm obsessed because their stuff is just like so my style. I picked up this satiny duster jacket, and it's so pretty. It's like a gorgeous nude. It's just my favorite color to wear. I loved wearing it over the jumpsuit. I just think it looked so chic and elegant. And it's like a robe style. It has like a little tie that you can like tie around your waist. I just think it's so pretty. The next piece I got is this really pretty top from Topshop. It is sheer, so I had to wear a white long sleeve undershirt underneath it, but I just think it's super pretty and very like summery, airy, and I just loved like the design details on here with all of the ties and like the balloon sleeves. I think it looks really like kind of boho but chic, and I just really like this top. And you'll see I tucked it into a pair of like wide leg pants, and it looked so pretty. The last piece that I got are these beautiful wide leg pants from Mango. I absolutely love the color of these. They're that beautiful pinky nude that I love, and I love the design detail of the little pleat that goes all the way down, and it's not the kind that is just like ironed. It's actually sewn, so that pleat really stays, and it's just really pretty. The only thing I would say about these is they are a little bit tight around like the midsection. They are high-waisted, and so they're a little bit tight around here. So I'm gonna link a few more options very similar to these, so that like if you were worried about them being too tight, then you'll have some more options that are very similar. I hope that you guys enjoyed this mini haul of all the clothing items I'm going to be wearing for Eid this year, and I will link everything down below for you guys, as well as the hijabs I was wearing and the shoes and accessories and stuff that I was wearing, just in case you're curious. And I'll also link below my outfit that I'm wearing today, because I know I'm going to get questions about that as well. And I hope that you have a blessed rest of Ramadan and a happy Eid, and I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!